Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Wonders they say shall never end. Oh, I know say all along. I just dey mind my business. I just dey do the things when we say I know say I go fit do. I don't really want to talk much about this issue, but as it stands now, I want to put my mouth for inside because you trust progress the analyst. Now, yeah, for the touchlight, the main point they give my people for them to also drop their opinion for the comment section. So some days ago we can't say here, we can't say the federal government of Nigeria could declare some people wanted. Say all these people now people when be say they need, in fact urgent, say they need them anywhere they see them. So they can put the name of the Biafra prime minister, which Simon Ekpa, they can still put the name of a DOS member, which is Chika Edezemu. So right now I can't surprise say some people, some Biafran people call they cry say, why will federal government of Nigeria add the name of the HOD of Biafra, Chika Edezemu, that is the DOS, the head of the DOS. They said no, that the DOS is a peaceful man, that is a peaceful man, and they are not even expecting the federal government of Nigeria to mention his name as a should. They say all along where they know the HOD of Biafra, say they know him to be a very peaceful man. Say and the Biafra movement is a peaceful movement. Una they forget say Nnamdi Kanu dey for that place. And they were not saying that Chika Edezemu is not the one that is causing the chaos that is happening in certain part of Nigeria as a should. You know, there is one time I begin to tell these people the truth. Now only me progress the analyst started to tell them the truth. Say this someone that they mentioned the name of Simon Ekpa, say me they crucify am. Now they forget say one time ago, even Ohaneze Digbo come talk say anybody when if you mask Simon Ekpa, make they bring out come, they go give the person better correct money. Now so everybody they happy say right now Simon Ekpa now they fine. Now so some people come see talk say they go court. Say as they go court, they could go right say they go must move Simon Ekpa come. In fact, people protest that time of election also. They cause say na Simon Ekpa they cause a lot of things for southeastern part of Nigeria. Now they cause for east. Now they do this, they do that. Say me they cash am. A lot of Biafran people cause still they happy say yes. Now this man they cause everything when it they happen. Now dear me myself cause they tell them say my people, now they make mistake because this hand when una they point for Simon Ekpa so say me they cash and so the remaining four they still they point on una because una no say they ask people like us who be Simon Ekpa we go describe Simon Ekpa say Simon Ekpa na pikin to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because to we na the same thing na they do. There is no difference between what Simon Ekpa they do with what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they do. So when you they say me they crucify Simon Ekpa, me you know say you they take they say me they keep out to the whole Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now so we take present the word that time. Now so we take talk am. But these people they not agree. They quarrel, they talk. Oh, if anything happen, they go say na Simon Ekpa boys. People go they tell they say now they say these people na Simon Ekpa boys not be the same IPOB now they do all the IPOB not be the same. They say no, they say Simon Ekpa are different. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on with their own now be the original. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on with their own now be the best. Okay, now there we leave them, we say no wahala, but we can't surprise say federal government of Nigeria when it's set e no talk and say the IPOB wey be say Chika Edezemu they say na peaceful one. He tell they say all of them are the same. Say Simon Ekpa Chika Edezemu, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, all of them say na the same rope na tie them. Now there they cry say na Simon Ekpa they cause confusion. And before now they first say Simon Ekpa is working with the federal government of Nigeria. Who they work with federal government of Nigeria, they go see declare wanted. Now the Chika Edezemu want they work with the Nigerian government, they still declare wanted. So now we call the reason and say now be say Chika Edezemu see they work with Nigerian government. So may we leave that one for this another day. But it could still gain one thing when I want to touch light for this matter. from barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor. Una know say if two children dey fight, the third party wey enter the matter, wetin e go do? E go ask question and e go try to dey quench the fire. Na im barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor come up as they declare Chika Edezemu wanted. Na im barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor come talk this one. But before we go hear from wetin he talk, make we first lis ten to person when he wan tell us some kind true matter.
Chineke kpọọ gị ọkụ ọ wee ma na all this while na ha na-agba Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka ọ wee ma lekwa m ejighị ihe o nwere ihe m ga-ego unu ka nnụ mata. In December 22nd December, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ordered DOS and Chike Doziem and one other barrister Ekpa here in writing. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu dere to stop attacking Simon Ekpa. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ordered that. Supreme Commander of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, last year December, dere in writing, Jaka ne jeri de si ha jenye no gbano DOS ha stop o idina attack Simon Ekpa. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kwuru ya. Chike Doziem mere mba. They disobeyed.
I'm not the one that said this. If you look at the way everything is going, you will see that Maazị Nnamdi Kanu believes so much in Simon Ekpa. And Maazị Nnamdi Kanu wants to come out and see everything that is happening with his own eyes. You guys know that the message that Maazị Nnamdi Kanu sent right from the court the other day was very straight, clean, and understandable. But a lot of people pretend as if they don't hear or they don't understand what Maazị Nnamdi Kanu said. But all the same, you've heard it again, that Maazị Nnamdi Kanu said they should stop attacking Simon Ekpa. But what happened? They keep on attacking him. That was when we came in, we said, you people should stop this thing. It's not leading you people anywhere, but they thought we are just joking. Now, ham market, everybody now, they don't declare, both the ones who they claim say they be sent, but everybody now don't be wanted. Now, everybody are now they shine. Okay. Let us listen to what barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor just said about the declaration of Chika Edezemu. Now, this is what barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor said. Nigeria security agencies are not under any form of illusion about the identity of the chief mastermind of the heinous criminal activities in our land and their foot soldiers. IPOB and my humble self spent months and years shouting on top of our voice with various publications on the devastating activities of these criminals on our land and the deliberate attributions of their criminal activity to IPOB. The reason for these deliberate attributions of the criminal, mercenarious, and evil activities of Simon Ekpa's lead criminal gang to the IPOB peaceful global movement is the consequence of today's declaration. Hey, those who are in a position to continue making these clarifications and denouncing the monstrous activity of Ekpa and his gang by also distancing them from peaceful activities of IPOB, but deliberately choose to shrink these compelling responsibilities to reason best known to them, are now faced with the terrible consequences of their secret romance with Ekpa. Now, barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor dey say, na Ekpa dey do everything when it happen, and he has been crying. They have been shouting for years for the Nigerian government to notice that all the evil things they are doing is Simon Ekpa that is doing it. but they refuse. Now they've already declared the HOD, including Simon Ekpa, that they declared they wanted, that he will be going to court. I say, sure, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey for court. He dey for court. How many defend? They don't defend Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, say IPOB na peaceful organization, make they release am. E don dey go 3 years, so may we leave that side. Now he said, I wish to assure all Izigbo, Umoshineke, and Biafrans that there is obviously no cause for alarm. I believe in the rule of law and be assured that the legality or otherwise of this misguided pronouncement shall be tested in a law court because I see no justification whatsoever for such pronouncement as it concern Mazi Chika Edezemu. In fact, na the Mazi Chika Edezemu wey they put na be the blow to every one of them because they did not see this coming. When we dey tell them say now, even Barrister Ejiofor they say wetin dey happen, all the bad activities na Simon Ekpa head. Na im dey do them. If na im dey do them, why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no gree pronounce im name for court? Now they don carry Chika Edezemu, they wan go court go say make they remove the name of Chika Edezemu is a peaceful movement. Abba. Now Simon Ekpa dey do everything. Una dey even dey pull more fuel again to this fire wey don already dey burn. Yes, because anything that makes you to go and find something and say, oh, it's Simon Ekpa, una dey point Simon Ekpa, una dey forget say people follow up all the case, they follow up all the issue from the beginning to the end. Even you hear one now when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say nobody should attack Simon Ekpa, wetin happen? They still continue to dey attack am. Now make the barrister they say they attack Simon Ekpa for months and years. They shout, oh, na criminal, oh, na this. He say he don't know why the federal government of Nigeria not do anything to Simon Ekpa. Now, they don't declare Simon Ekpa and Chika Edezemu now wanted. Now, everybody, they cry. Oh, they're not supposed to add the Chika Edezemu name because he never commit any crime. Oh, now Simon Ekpa, they commit all the crime. I tell you, I say, as soon as they point that hand for Simon Ekpa, one and no one mind on our business. Do the one I go feed do. Leave Simon Ekpa. I wish one another they call his name. All this quarrel not there, all this katakata not there. Nobody for even mention anybody name. Yes, but now all of them come out, call it, they understand. Say now IPOB they do am. I been a lie. It get a lot of things when they happen. I go say na Simon Ekpa. When I say na Simon Ekpa, what did the federal government go do now? It go say na IPOB. If na you, nobody you go call IPOB. Simon Ekpa not be IPOB member. So as soon as they keep on the shout. See that Simon Ekpa they do the thing where they happen. Now so the federal government also sit down from one place, they get their own record. They say yes, they don't agree say na IPOB do it because they will never mention the name of Simon Ekpa alone. What did they go mention na IPOB? So now the cross when be say all of them they carry now be this. Now the board door open, all the gates door open, everybody they cry. They not kitty, they not kitty kata. Oh, na Simon Ekpa. If you keep on to the mention Simon Ekpa, you keep on mentioning IPOB. Yes, I go tell you now the truth. There is no two ways about it. You can't change it. As this thing happen now, people still they shout, hey, we don't know say they go mention HOD name, we don't know say they go mention Chika Edezemu name, no only Simon Ekpa, only Simon Ekpa. Tomorrow mona keep on to the mention Simon Ekpa, mona keep on to the bring video. As soon as they bring video, they come. Now so they go tag on IPOB because to a lot of people, there is no difference between Simon Ekpa and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And Simon Ekpa is Biafra himself. And Simon Ekpa is IPOB. And Simon Ekpa doesn't say be waiting Biafra Prime Minister. So, no matter how you tag him, the tag, if they rob una, if they tie una, now be waiting the ground. I have been shouting, I have been talking, this one you people are saying Simon Ekpa is the one doing this, Simon Ekpa is the one doing that. Don't you know that you people are letting the federal government to know that, yes, this thing, now IPOB they do am. They say na lie yo, maybe people remove their mat. If you are not a Biafra, remove your mat. What did you know? Okwogidere, it don't happen. Una they cry now say it's supposed to be only Simon Ekpa. Oh, they don't know say Simon Ekpa alone na IPOB. So when una they shout in name, who are you people calling? Na IPOB. Automatically, una see they tell them say na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now do the thing. So my beautiful family, I just say let me touch point one or two things because the way this matter they go, the way this matter they turn round. At times it's the vex person. Up to this moment, people not still get sense to know say they don't classify IPOB na IPOB. Whether na Simon Ekpa, if na like una say na IPOB autopilot na IPOB. So this one na the thing we say I want to make they understand. Why una not leave this Simon Ekpa alone? If so una leave am alone that time, una dey do una own. Una dey do una own. It's all these things, all these problem when even they happen, for not happen. Believe me. If to say that time when they shout, two people should leave Simon Ekpa alone. If una do am, all this is not go happen now. Una don't give the federal government a lot of information. Let them know say na IPOB they do a lot of this where they happen. So now one and they cry. So my beautiful family, I think I bring this point because so that people will not know, make them still know. Say this thing when they happen, so people don't want them, but they're not listening. But today, everybody they shout, that they cry. So my beautiful family, please do it to share this video, like and subscribe, and do it to drop your opinion also in the comment section whether this matter how you see them. To me, there is no difference between Simon Ekpa and Nnamdi Kanu. I'll keep on to the talk am. And when you see Simon Ekpa, also you see IPOB, you see Biafra. So no two ways about it. So my beautiful family, please do well to share this video, like and subscribe. I still am your one and only Progress the Analyst. I give you all the update back to back. Thank you so much and bye bye.